I've handled a lot of cases when a doctor has given a nurse an order for some urgent lab work or a CT exam or maybe some sort of test, and then the unbelievable happens, it doesn't get done. Now, normally it happens in one of a couple of ways. One, the nurse just doesn't follow the order, and the test doesn't get done at all. Or number two, it does get done after maybe some delay, but it's not communicated back to the doctor. And then finally, the doctor might just not follow up and never knows whether it happens or not. Well, in cases like that, both the nurse and the doctor are at fault, but the person who ends up losing is the patient. Think of it like a relay race where you have one runner passing the baton to the next runner, but right before the passing happens, the runner drops the baton. What happens in a race is you lose. But in a healthcare setting, the consequences are even more dire. You can die. The doctor and the nurse are both responsible, but the person who loses is the patient. The delay in treatment that's caused by poor communication can be hours or days and can cause serious injury or worse, even death. Remember, the doctors and nurses at the hospital are there to help you, and that's what their business is, but they're so overworked that sometimes your care can fall through the cracks when they're taking care of other patients. You can help make sure you aren't a victim of poor communication by making sure anytime you're in the hospital that you take someone there with you. And both you and your friend or family member can politely ask questions. Hey, I heard about that order. When am I going to get taken to the CT room? Or when is this lab going to be done? And what are the results? You can do this and make sure that you don't fall through the cracks. If you've been a victim of medical negligence or poor communication in a hospital setting and it's caused injury, please give us a call at Painter Law Firm. Our number is 281-580-8800 or www.painterfirm.com. We'd be happy to discuss your case with you.